girl Tiara here, and today I'm back with another video. So guys, I got this amazing product right here, my new baby. Okay, so if you follow me on TikTok, you see that I love Ninja products. If you come to my house, all my appliances are Ninja. So I got today a Ninja Foodie Smart Grill XL Pro and Griddle. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and review with you guys, and then I'm gonna make a meal with this dish as well, and let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna open it now. Alright, so far I have the grill grate, I have this griddle part, and then the instructions and a quick start guide with recipe. Alright, for the grand finale, we have the Ninja Pro Griddle. Okay, so I'm going to clean it, wipe it down and clean it, and then I'm going to make a meal and do a review at the same time. I'm cleaning as I go right here. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna take everything off. Alright, I hope my other Ninja air fryer is not jealous over there. But don't worry, we're gonna be using this bad boy. All right, I'm gonna open it. All right, so we have those 3 pieces. We're already looking at it. It's so big. So I already love that. Ooh, dehydrated. I'm gonna make some, I think it would be great for me to make some garlic powder, my own garlic powder. Okay, so let's close this and let me read the manual, and then I'm gonna clean everything and I'll come back when I make sure I have everything set up properly. Alright, so I got my salmon here. I cleaned it. So I'm just going to pat it dry. Alright, so I'm gonna squeeze some lemon on it to get that little fishy smell off of it. Okay. Alright, so with salmon, of course, you don't want to season too much. So I'm just going to put some Old Bay, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, complete seasoning. Alright, so I seasoned everything, and then I also added some minced garlic. And now I'm about to get started with the Ninja Grill and put them bad boys on there on grill. And let's see how they come out. I'm so excited. Preheating. Okay, so I also made some shrimp that I seasoned the same way I seasoned the salmon. Alright. It's done preheating, so now it's telling me to add food. So now that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to add this salmon. Continue. Alright, y'all, so I'm also adding some shrimp and some green beans in here. So I'm just gonna close it. Okay, my meal is done, y'all. I'm just gonna plate it. So far, so good. I really love this air fryer. It's so dope and it's so easy to use, and I can make so many things at once. So I made pretty much mashed potatoes, salmon and shrimp with some fresh green beans, and a nice creamy sauce to top it off. And I want to thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you guys click the link in my description so you can order your own Ninja Fruity today. I'm telling you guys, you won't regret it. It is the best purchase I have ever made. And I want to thank you guys again for watching this video, and see you guys next time.